Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. I'm thrilled to have you here at Transformative Bookstore. If you love creative crafts and beautiful decor ideas, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content. Let's dive into today's ideas. Today, we're exploring inspiring ways to elevate your space with unique crafts and decor ideas, all inspired by the vibrant world of Transformative Bookstore. Let's get started. Transformative Bookstore is a treasure trove of inspiration, blending literature with art. Its cozy corners and vibrant shelves spark creativity, making it the perfect backdrop for our craft and decor ideas. Today, we'll showcase how to bring that same warmth and charm into your own home. One simple way to add a literary touch to your decor is by incorporating vintage books into your space. Stack them creatively on shelves or coffee tables, and add small plants or candles on top. This creates a cozy, inviting atmosphere that celebrates the love of reading and artistry. Next, let's talk about dream catchers, a beautiful craft that symbolizes positivity and protection. Using colorful threads, feathers, and beads, you can craft personalized dream catchers that enhance your decor while adding a touch of bohemian elegance to any room. Incorporate natural elements such as dried flowers, pine cones, or wooden accents to bring earthy warmth into your decor. These elements complement the vibrant colors of books and crafts, creating a balanced environment that is both lively and serene, perfect for relaxing or working. Create a cozy reading corner with soft cushions, throws, and string lights. Incorporate baskets for organizing craft supplies or books. This inviting nook encourages relaxation and inspires your creativity, making it a perfect retreat within your own home. Personalized craft projects, like custom bookmarks or handmade journals, add a special touch to your collection. Use decorative paper, ribbons, and embellishments to craft unique items that reflect your personality and passion for arts and literature. Finally, host small craft and decor workshops at home or in community spaces. Sharing skills like paper quilling, embroidery, or flower arranging fosters community and spreads creativity, making your environment more vibrant and inspiring for everyone involved. DIY candle holders are another fantastic craft idea. Use recycled jars or teacups, and decorate them with paints, ribbons, or lace. Place a candle inside to create warm, ambient lighting. These holders add a handcrafted touch that elevates your decor with charm and personality. Thank you for joining Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub today. Remember, creativity knows no limits. Visit Transformative Bookstore for more inspiration. And don't forget to subscribe the craft and decor ideas. Stay inspired and keep creating.